This is the NCFE, so NCFE Entry Level 3 Functional Skills Qualification in Mathematics. The code is 603 forward slash 5061 forward slash 1. Paper number 14, section 8 is non-coded test, guys. So put your coders away, guys. Time idea for this paper is 30 minutes. Answer all questions. That number of marks for this section is 10. Okay, marks remember for each question here is shown in brackets. You will need a pen with black or blue ink, pencil and eraser, and 30 centimeter ruler. Okay, again, obviously pause it to have a read. But without further ado, guys, let's crack on with question number 1. So this is question number 1. Activity 1, the music festival. Rishi plans a music festival. Okay, so 1A, Rishi has a list of number of tents at the festivals each year. Festivals are each year. Okay, so year 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Okay, number of tents 153, 169, 168, and 132. How many tents were there in total? So I'm going to be adding these numbers. Okay, so it says show your working. You're going to have 153, add 169, add 268, add 332. Okay, so we are adding these numbers together. Okay, so I'm going to do it here with column addition, but I'm going to do it in one go. But I'm going to obviously take my time here with my addition. Okay, very important here to obviously lay it out in a clear fashion for the examiner. Okay, and again, I obviously, if I obviously go to the box, obviously when it's obviously printed out, obviously it's a bit bigger than this. So 3 add 9 is 12. Add 8 makes 20, and the 2 makes 22, so 2, carry that extra 2 down. Okay, 5 and 6 is 11, add 6 again makes 17. Okay, add 3 makes 20, add another 2 makes 22, so that's coincidence to 2 and then carry the 2. 1 add 1 is 2, add 2 is 4, add 3 is 7, add another 2 is 9. Okay, sorry, my mind actually nearly went blank there, I apologise. Okay, so yeah, okay, so that is, yeah, so the answer we get is 922 as our answer. Okay, so 922, okay, tenths in total as our answer. Okay, that was question 1A complete. Question 1B, guys. So Rishi has a bar chart that shows the number of people who attended the festival in these years. So festival attendance, we got number of people, okay, 0, 200, 400, 600, 800, 1,000. So yeah, okay, so each line essentially goes up here in hundreds. So 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Okay, the question says, okay, obviously we've got the year here. In which years, okay, so plural, did fewer than 900 people attend the festival? So we're looking for a number which is obviously below this line here. Okay, hopefully we can see. Sorry, it's not really well drawn here. Okay, that'll be 2017, so 2017, and also 2019. Okay, so those bars are below or beneath that red line. Okay, below 900. Okay, which is obviously fewer. So fewer means less than. Okay, in other words, for less than. So less than 900. Okay, so those are the 2 years. Okay. Next up, part C. Rishi plans the times that the bands will be on stage. The last band will play for 50 minutes. Okay, very important. It must finish at 10:30 p.m. So 10:30 p.m. at night. Okay, or 130 hours. What time must the last band start playing? Write your answer in numbers using 12-hour clock format. Okay, so if we're working in 12-hour obviously clock format, okay, so I'm obviously going to work backwards. So if I do 10:30 p.m. to 10 p.m., okay, I've taken away or subtracted, okay, 30 minutes, right? So okay, so I've it's 30 minutes. Now 30 to 50 is another 20 minutes. So if I take off here 20 minutes of 10 p.m., okay, you get 9:40 p.m. okay, as your answer. The answer we get is 9:40 p.m. okay, as our final answer. Okay, so it's one thing using the 12-hour clock format. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so I've taken away 30 minutes there, and then obviously another 20 minutes again takes us down to 9:40 p.m. Okay, because obviously I was obviously working 60 minutes. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense. 1D, guys. Rishi plans the layout of the festival area. The toilets will be the northeast, sorry, will be to the northeast of the main village. Where will the toilets be? So the way I remember it, yeah, is never eat shredded wheat. Okay, that is my motto. Obviously, like I don't actually mean that. Actually, it's just a motto to remember. Of course, if you like obviously shredded wheat, eat it. Okay, I'm sure lots of people obviously like it. And I'm not the biggest fan here, but sorry, I'm diverting here. But yeah, I remember it, yeah, never eat shredded wheat. Okay, there are other ways to remember it. But yeah, I was always taught, yeah, to remember, yeah, for compass, okay, direction, yeah, north is obviously forward, yeah. Okay, never eat shredded wheat. Okay, northeast is direction. Yeah. The main stage is yeah, so we're gonna call that, yeah, the origin. Okay, so looking at for like a diagonal, which is gonna be C. Okay, so northeast of the main stage is gonna be C. So that is where the toilets are gonna be located. Okay. What about 1E, guys? So Rishi has 982 leaflets. He asks 4 people to hand them out. He shares them equally between the 4 people. How many leaflets does each person get? So if you're sharing them equally, it means it's a division. So I'm doing 982 divided by 4. Okay, now there are many different ways to get your answer. Okay, but I'm going to use here the bus stop method. Okay, but you can half it and then half it again. Okay, that will work. Okay, so you divide it by 2 and then by 2 again. If you find it divided by 4, you're a bit too tricky. So here is the process. 4s into 9 go twice, remainder 1 or leftover of 1. 4s into 18 go 4 times, remainder 2. Because 4 4s are going to be 16, and obviously 18 is 2 bigger than 16 or 2 more than 16. Finally, 4s into 22 go 5 times, but we got a remainder of 2. So each person here, okay, gets, okay, 245 leaflets. Okay, and obviously the second part, which is also important, okay, how many leaflets are left over? Well, the remainder is 2, so there are 2 leaflets which are left over. Okay, so those 2, yeah, I'm guessing won't be split yet, obviously into the equal 4, because yeah, you can't really, well, technically you can have half a leaflet, but yeah, if we're working, yeah, in like pieces of paper or whole leaflets, yeah, like Rishi isn't going to give out, yeah, half a leaflet here. Obviously Rishi will obviously give out 1 full leaflet, yeah, to each person, if that makes sense. Okay, not that he can't, yeah, sorry, I'm diverting. I'm not saying he can't do that show, that's not possible. But I'm just saying in the context of this question, okay, each person gets 1 leaflet. Okay, that is how the process works for this music festival. Okay, and that obviously takes us to the end of section A, which is 10 marks. In the next video, guys, okay, girls and folks, okay, my adult learners, okay, we're going to be looking at section B, which is the calculated paper, but hopefully you found this useful. If you have found it useful, guys, yeah, please obviously notify me by liking the video, okay, follow me on my TikTok, yeah, subscribe to my YouTube, okay, and obviously comment below, yeah, if you're looking for one-to-one support with your functional skills, whether you're an adult learner, okay, a student in school, looking for that extra support, yeah, for functional skills maths, okay, I do teach you functional skills maths and English, so let me know and I'll be happy to help you with your studies and preparing for your final exam, whether it's this month, next month, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, or even February next year. Okay,